Your love don't live here no more. It's time to close the door now on us. We do not belong together. I think we should break it off. The pressure is getting rough. So you say, let's go our separate ways. Take my hand and follow me tonight, tonight. Let's set off this party right tonight, tonight. Trust in me, I'll guarantee tonight, tonight. We will find ecstasy tonight right here with me. I am sick and tired of your silly games. Come on, we really didn't have a chance. I do not want you in my life, 'cause you are no good. You know it's better that we break it off. It is not meant for us to stay. Together we have lost always. Never knew that I could feel like this. Never knew I would miss your sweet kiss. Never knew I would miss you all my life. Can't you see I need you here with me? I miss you so much, I want you back into my life. For a while we were so tight, our love was right. You never complained so much. Now we're out of touch with each other. Hey, this is no good. Something changed between us and I can't reverse what happened, love. Yes, it was really good, but only for a while. There's no reason for us to make up. There's no reason for us to try again. You push me to my point. Oh no, I am tired of your silly acting. Hearts are broken, so please just let me be. I don't want to see you